Do you like free stuff? Me too. Are you looking into publishing illustrated children's books on a budget? Then I have just the thing for you. First, you're going to need PowerPoint, Mac Keynote, or Google Slides. Next, get access to my free children's book templates at dalelinks.com/kidsbooktemplates. Just a heads up though, you must do the work. Don't simply churn out one book after the other without putting your own spin on it. Platforms are getting wise to the same interior and are actively shutting down accounts due to duplicate interiors. Also, you'll need to create a cover image before you finalize your book. You can use free resources like BookBrush, Canva, or hire someone from Fiverr. Check out my list of vetted Fiverr cover designers when you visit dalelinks.com/bookcovers. Last, you'll need access to stock image licensing or your own graphics. Though you can go with free image resources like Pixabay, I recommend investing in your graphics or creating your own. Keep in mind, a lot of people use those free images, so you won't have much differentiation from the other authors. I recommend Vexels or deposit photos for image licensing. And download Kindle Kids Book Creator. Visit dalelinks.com/kkbc to get free access. Now, let's get behind the dashboard. Choose your trim size. You can open these files in PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides. I'm using PowerPoint right now, but the other options are fairly intuitive even if you follow along. Now, download your images and graphics. Keep them in an organized folder. You get bonus points for naming each file in the order you want them to appear. Duplicate the slides to the number of pages you want in your book. Simply click on one slide, then press the Control key and click the next slide. Now, press the Control key and the letter C, and then press the Control key and the letter V again to paste the copied slide. Repeat as necessary. You always want a right page and a left page. Don't make the mistake of putting them out of order or removing one without the other. The template won't work then. Feel free to remove any unwanted parts of the template by selecting the slide or element and pressing delete or backspace. If you want a book with no bleed, you must keep your elements within the red box. Once you have all the elements in place, simply select the template graphic and delete it. If you want a book with edge-to-edge graphics, then you'll want to use the bleed option. You must keep your text within the box and any important graphics away from the bleed line. I'm using the 6x9 template with no bleed. Drag and drop images onto the canvas. Arrange them how you wish. Go to the Insert tab. Left-click the text box, then click on the surface, and your text box will appear and you can be able to size it however you want. Type in what you want, and change the font, and the size right here. Once you're set, simply export the file as a PDF. You'll use it for the print version. Now, let's use it for the ebook version. Open up Kindle Kids Book Creator. Fill out the metadata, and choose a folder for saving your ebook. Next, hit Continue, fill out the layout for your ebook. Then select Create Book from PDF. Here's where you'll upload your front cover PDF and the interior PDF. Hit the File tab, then select Save for Publishing. It'll say Save as a Mobi file. Now, don't freak out. Many people think KDP isn't accepting Mobi files altogether. That's simply not true. They accept Mobi files for fixed layout books only. Hey, if you found this helpful, I'd really love to hear from you via the comments below. I put in some effort here to offer these templates with the sole intention of helping you. I hope it's worth something. By the way, if you didn't download these before, you're probably ready to grab them now. Go over to dalelinks.com/kidsbooktemplates. Catch this next video where I walk through how to produce an illustrated kids book live on the air with no edits.